Hello guys, let me show you something interesting.
In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $50 to $100 by simply creating these ad creatives. These are the video ads that you can create using the Sora 2 inside the Higgs field. However, you can use the official platform of Sora, but there could be some watermark over there, so it's not going to be professional, right? That's why I chose the Higgs field, and Higgs field is the all-rounder, like it has everything you can create. So if you are an AI content creator, then I definitely recommend you to try the Higgs field because it has everything in one dashboard. So you don't need to be worried about to subscribe to all of these separately, right? So you can use any of these models that is coming around. So you can see like VO 3.1 is also coming around. So it is already listed here. Right now it's in the waiting list, but it will be coming soon, and as soon as it is published or it is launched by the Google, then it will be added here. So you have the access to all these tools here, and one of the best things about Higgs field is that it's like kind of creative studio for you, so you have access to everything. So that's a different story, but yeah, let's get back to what we are here for, right? So the idea is simple. First I'm going to show you the ad samples, and after that I'm going to show you how I have created them. Let's begin with this one. I have created this one, and I think like it's a good ad. This is the 12-second ad that I have created using the Sora 2, because Sora 2 is the only AI tool right now that is generating the longer video, right? So that's why I chose the Sora 2, and also Sora 2 is good for cinematic and the realism, right? So you should definitely try the Sora 2 inside Higgs field, right? And there is one more ad that is a different version of this same ad, right? So this is what we are going to create, and actually I'm not going to create, but I'm just going to go through the entire process to show you how I have created these. So you can just replicate the same process to get the similar kind of result. So to get started, first come to ChatGPT, right? And I use that simple prompt to generate the video prompt for that ad. So we have system role, right? So we can specify the senior creative director and CMO level director and all, right? And we can specify the brand name, right? Here we can say, right, Apple, let's suppose, right? It could be anything, right? Once you have the prompt and you can read it, once you are happy with the prompt, you just need to copy this prompt from here and you can just paste here, right? And once you paste it, you just need to select the model, and right now I'm using the Sora 2. You can even use the Sora 2 Pro. And once you've selected the model, you can simply select the duration, like how long you want. It could be 8 second, 4 second, or 12 second. And the resolution, if you are the higher the resolution, the more credits you are going to earn. And the aspect ratio, for now I'm taking 16:9. After that, you can enable this unlimited mode, right? Because if you don't enable it, you are going to lose 89 credits for one creation, right? Once you have enough ad creatives in your portfolio, you can simply go to any of the social media. It could be anything. For now I'm taking the X as an example, and from there you can like look for any of the brand that is, it could be anything. For example, like we are creating for Higgs field, right? If you don't know like what to write and how to reach out to the brands, you can simply take the inspiration from this sample template, and yeah, once you have this, you can try and repeat this process 2 or 3 times every day and do it for like 10 to 15 days, and you will definitely see 1 or 2 clients getting back to you or asking for you to create ads for them. And for better conversion, you can even propose them a free sample before, because you are giving something for free, so it might like impress the brand to take initiatives, right? It could be helpful for brand and you as well, because you are creating something them without even asking. And I think like if you are a freelancer or if you are looking for clients, then try this method every time. So once the brand is agreed upon your proposal, then you can start working on it, and you can simply go to ChatGPT and start your ideation and all. And yeah, that's it. This is Salis signing off, and thanks for your time. If you found this helpful, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you are watching me on X, then leave a comment, like, bookmark, repost, anything you can do to support this video. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day.